Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Google Drive as a storage tool and how it's really been helping me to store my files, my folders, Google Documents, and lots of other tools that have been useful to me so far this semester. So as you can see, I have some presentations, some just regular Google Documents, and they're all stored in my cloud storage space, Google Drive. If I wanted to make a new folder, document, sheets, or slide, I would just have to click on this Add New button. I have 4 folders currently, 3 of them being for this class and then 1 more for another class. As you can see, if you click on the folder, it'll show you any sort of file, image, document, or presentation that you might have saved to that folder. So for example, I have like a graphics and YouTube video links folder. I also have a folder that contains my theme statements. Also, if you want to search, you can look up, for example, maybe Case 1 Part 1, a previous assignment I did, and if I decided that I didn't want to have it in my case folder anymore and I instead wanted to move it to another folder, I could just go here to my drive and click on any one of these folders, so it's not a big deal if you accidentally move it to the wrong folder. You can just move it to whichever one you would like. So yeah, those are the main uses that I've gotten out of Google Drive so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks.